All right, so today is our first full day in Santorini, and today we are doing a volcano island excursion. So we're staying in Oya, and the volcano is just right next to it. So we're gonna get on a boat, go see the volcano, and I guess go swimming in hot springs. So yeah, nice adventure on our first full day. Not going to be as adventurous as my Crete adventure with the hike, but it'll still be good. So let's take a look at how it went. So this black rock right here is from the volcano, and it's formed this little uninhabitable island of just black lava rock.
Ladies and gentlemen, here on the left, our first stop, the active volcano. Walking on the volcano is not easy, so if you're tired, if you have any problems with your health, just stay on board, especially today, which is very hot day. So if you wish to enter, just have with you comfortable shoes, a bottle of water that you can buy right now at the bar, and €5 per person, which will be the entrance of the volcano. We will go all together till the highest point. I will explain the story of this beautiful island, and later departure time will be at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Ladies and gentlemen, if you wish to enter the volcano, be ready right now.
Alright, so we just got off the boat, and now we are going to go to the active volcano. You do have to pay €5 to get in, so pay for the boat transfer and then pay for the €5 to get in. They said it's kind of rocky, so we'll see how we do. Alright, let's go! Thankfully, we don't have to wear masks on the volcano, which is good because it's really hot today. It is a little slippery, but Jeremy's doing it in flip-flops and he's doing just fine. So, no matter what shoes you have, as long as you're fit, footloose, fancy-free, you should be okay. I thought this was the top. It's not. I have to keep going. But he said the views are amazing, so gotta do it. Gotta do it. Whew. Get that cool rock. Nice.
Okay, so guys, right here where we are, this is the highest point. We are exactly at 127 meters from the level of the sea. As I told you, we are right in the center of the caldera, and we have such a beautiful view all around us. Now, let's start with the first village right behind me. The first that you can see with a big rounded church, that is the capital of Santorini, which is called Fira. Easy, with F, Fira. Over there, that is the north. See the white village? It's exactly northwest. So because of that position, that is the famous white village where usually everybody goes to watch sunset. That is the famous white village of Ia.
Yeah.
No, oh yeah. I know what you're thinking about. Still, you can say oh yeah. Everybody will understand, so you can keep saying oh yeah. Not to me, in general, you can say oh yeah. But Ia is the Greek pronounce, so it's easier, it's faster, so why not? Ia, not over there.
Made it to the top of the volcano, and he gave us a nice little description of what to look out for. But the views are pretty cool. And we learned that the island itself, where we're standing, used to be a very large volcano. And so all the sea around was not actually sea in these islands, it was all connected by land. And the huge volcano erupted and sunk, and so now there is water where there was land and then little pieces of the island. We also learned how Santorini got its name. So before it was owned by the Venetians, and there was a church on the island, that's all there was. There wasn't anything there. There was just a church of Saint Irene. So now they call it Santorini, or Saint Irene. So yeah. So that little hole right there above the shadow, that's where some steam is coming out from the sleeping volcano, and you can tell it smells like sulfur. So it's sleeping though. He told us that the volcano's sleeping right now, so don't try and wake it up. The last time it burst was in 1950, but the time when the islands were formed, he said that was several thousand years ago. There's that hole right there. This is my favorite part, just exploring, being part of nature, seeing all the natural formations, the Santorini island and the towns in the distance. I love it. I just can't get over it. It really is awesome.
Wait, stop.
Ah! Alright, we just jumped off and now we have to swim 30 meters to the thermal waters. Woo! Good job, Devin! Alright, we're standing in the thermal waters. I can actually stand in it right now. I got my waterproof shoes on. Oh, I feel something soft. I don't know what that is. So our guide told us it's about 31 degrees, 32 degrees Celsius. And it feels nice, feels like just, you know, very used bath water, so not hot. But it's nice and refreshing. Now we're taking advantage of the minerals, giving ourselves a little mud bath. Devin, where's your mud? You need mud.
I don't know, but my shoulder will happen.
Perfect. Mine's artistic.
I got a good mud pit over there.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yesterday I was suffocated. I increased like maybe more than 30 pounds during the pandemic time
I
only.
need to do my face.
I'm not going to the weight that I have now. And I swim because I swim normally. But the first time I was like suffocated. And I took this today just in case. And I helped to float a little to breathe.
Yes. How do I look?
You want to take a phone? Let me know what I need to know.
This is so ugly. Oh, I'm gonna throw up.
It's not as bad as ouzo, drinking ouzo, so
Use it with lemon was good though.
Oh, here's a good pile of shit.
Okay, are we doing this? Okay, wait. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Okay, I just can't look at it. Okay.
Yep. All over.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Oh, I better not have acne after this. I would love to not look 12 years old.
The stone exfoliation with the nutrient-rich mud.
Oh my god.
Sulfur's good for you.
Let's get a close up. Oh, looks amazing.
My brown eyes look even more like.
And it can't be Greece without an old man rowing by in a boat. That's the Ia village right there, where we're staying. And we learned it's pronounced Ia, not Oya, like it's spelled. And then that's a little place you can go cliff diving. We might do that tomorrow.
Yeah, we did it yesterday. I'll watch somebody else go play.
It's crazy. Like, I don't know if you have any.
Down the walkway from Ia is the Amudi Bay. So there's some seafood places down there. We haven't walked down there yet.
It's a nice coincidence.
So there's a couple blue domes right there, and right there is our villa. So it's right next to the blue dome.
Ladies and gentlemen, here on the left, the small church of Saint Nicholas, protector of all the sailors. Mesdames et messieurs, ici à gauche, la petite église de Saint Nicolas, protecteur de le marin. Κυρίες και κύριοι, εδώ στα αριστερά μας θα βλέπουμε ένας από τους μύθους της Σαντορίνης. Στη sinistra, una delle leggende di Santorini. So, the Church of the Seven Children. One day, the legend says, a father lost the 7 children here in the water and found them right here in the cave. So, to thank the gods, he created this small church named after the Church of the 7 Children. Every 4th of August is the celebration of this church.
And that was our Volcano Island tour. We booked it on Get Your Guide, and there was an option to add free time in Ia to view the sunset, but since we were staying in Ia, we obviously didn't need to pay for that addition to the tour. So that was our second day in Santorini.